So we are continuing further with the revision of MHT CET. We have done up to problem 146, now 147. Y is equal to log of x plus under root. We want to find y2. y1 will be directly 1 upon under root. This is opposite to botany formula. So y1 will be x square plus a square raised to minus half. y2 will be minus half x square plus a square raised to minus 3 by 2 into 2x. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So y2 will become minus x upon. Answer will be option D. 148. Y is equal to sin inverse x the whole square plus cos inverse x the whole square. We want वन माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर वाई टू माइनस एक्स वाई वन. क्या आएगा y1 साइन इनवर्स x द होल स्क्वायर का 2 साइन इनवर्स x डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन इनवर्स x प्लस 2 cos inverse x derivative of cos inverse x. This will become sin inverse x का 1 upon under root and cos inverse x का minus 1 upon. So ये रूट वाला टर्म इधर ले लेंगे तो रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू वाई वन. 2 वी कैन टेक कॉमन ब्रैकेट में. इसको करेंगे डिफरेंशिएट अगेन. दिस इज u इंटू वी. So first function will remain as it is. Root 1 minus x square as it is. y1 का y2. y1 as it is 1 upon 2 root 1 minus x square into minus 2x. ये रूट का डेरिवेटिव एंड 2 will remain as it is. साइन इनवर्स x का 1 upon under root 1 minus x square एंड माइनस cos इनवर्स x का माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा. This 2 and 2 get cancelled, so we get root 1 minus x square y2 minus x y1 upon is equal to 4 upon multiply by ये रूट वाले टर्म को इधर ले लेंगे तो आएगा 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 is equal to 4. 4 is the answer. ऑप्शन आएगा C. 149. Question 149 is x is a sin cube t. Y is a cos cube t. We want second derivative means d2y by dx square. Second derivative of, so let us take the first term as y and second term as x. Second derivative of this with respect to that, तो इसको y और इसको x ले लेंगे. We want d2y by dx square at t equal to pi by 4. Derivative of this with respect to that. पहले dy by dx लेंगे तो आएगा this will give you 3a sin square t cos t. Derivative of this with respect to that चाहिए. Alright, and ये आएगा minus 3a 3a cancels, 1 sin t cancels, 1 cos t cancels. We'll get dy by dx as minus tan t. We want double derivative, so we'll now differentiate with respect to x. d2y by dx square will be minus x square t into dt by dx. That is minus x square t 1 upon dx by dt. So this will become क्या है वैल्यू ऑफ dx by dt minus 3a. This will become 1 upon 3a sec raised to 4t. ये sec square as it is रखा, 1 by cos square को sec square लिखा, 1 by sin t को cosec t लिखा. We want d2y by dx square when t equal to pi by 4. वैसे ऑप्शंस देखेंगे ना तो एक ही ऑप्शन में नीचे 3a है, तो ऑप्शन ए इज द आंसर. लेकिन this will become root 2 raised to 4 into root 2 divided by 3a. This root 2 raised to 4 is 4, so answer आएगा 4 root 2 upon 3a. आंसर आएगा 4 root 2 upon 3a. Next 150. Y equal to sin x plus e raised to x. We want d2x by dy square. d2x by dy square. So what will be dy by dx? Cos x plus e raised to x. And what will be d2y by dx square? Minus sin x plus e raised to x. Now we know this formula. d2x by dy square is minus of d2y by dx square upon dy by dx the whole cube. This will be minus of will be answer will be option C. This is given as a synopsis directly. One 51. X is cos theta and y is sin phi theta. We want 1 minus x square y2 minus x y1. इसमें आंसर पूरा y के टर्म्स में है. मतलब आंसर में थीटा नहीं चाहिए, तो यहां से व्हाट विल बी cos इनवर्स x थीटा एंड व्हाट विल बी sin इनवर्स y phi थीटा. ये वैल्यू जो आया इसको इधर रीसब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे तो आएगा sin इनवर्स y इक्वल टू 5 cos इनवर्स x. विल नाउ डिफरेंशिएट 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस y स्क्वायर इंटू y1 माइनस 5 अपॉन रूट 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर. वी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. We apply u into v rule, differentiating with respect to x. 1 minus x square y1 square का 2y1 y2 y1 square into minus 2x is equal to 25 times minus 2y y1. 2y1 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 will cancel to give you 1 minus x square y2 minus x y1 is equal to minus 25y. Minus 25y is option D. 152 x square upon a square. Therefore, cross multiplying we get b square x square plus a square y square is equal to a square b square. We now differentiate b square times 2x a square times 2y y1 equal to 0. Therefore 2a square y y1 is minus 2x b square or 2b square x. 2 gets cancelled, so your y1 will be minus b square x upon a square y. We differentiate this again, applying u upon v rule. Minus will remain as it is. Denominator में आएगा a square y the whole square. A square y as it is. b square x का आएगा b square into 1 and b square x as it is a square y1. We can remove a square common. Bracket में आएगा b square y and in fact b square also we can take common. A square b square common आ जाएगा. अंदर क्या बचेगा y minus x y1 upon a raised to 4 into y square. What is the value of y1? Minus b square x upon a square y, that we will substitute here, upon we'll say from 2. This will become, take LCM, we get a square y square plus b square x square upon a square y divided by, this will become minus b square, this b square x square plus a square y square, b square x square plus a square y square is a square b square upon दिस आई से इज फ्रॉम 1. तो ये a स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. आंसर आएगा माइनस ऑफ b रेज टू 4 अपॉन a स्क्वायर y क्यूब. माइनस b रेज टू 4 अपॉन a स्क्वायर y क्यूब. ऑप्शन आएगा ए. आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन ए. वन 153. A and B are two square matrices. A and B are two square matrices such that B is equal to minus A inverse into B into A. Pre-multiply by A on both sides. A into A inverse is I, and I into BA. This A into A inverse becomes I. And I multiplied by BA will become BA. So AB is equal to minus BA. This we'll call it as result 1. We want A plus B the whole square. That is A square plus AB plus BA plus B square. That is A square, AB is minus BA. आंसर आएगा A square plus B square. A plus B the whole square is A square plus B square. 154. A is, matrix A is 1 tan theta by 2 minus tan theta by 2 1 and AB equal to I. So what is determinant of A? It will be 1 plus, that is, since AB is I, means B must be A inverse. So B must be 1 by determinant of A transpose. That is 1 by आंसर आएगा 6 square theta by 2 into A transpose. 155. Matrix A is A0 0 0 A0 0 0 A. So determinant of A will be A into and determinant of adjoint of A will be determinant of A raised to n minus 1, where n is the order of square matrix. This is, so n equal to 3. तो ये आएगा determinant of A is A cube raised to 3 minus 1, that is A cube का square will become A raised to 6. Therefore determinant of A into determinant of adjoint of A will be A cube into A raised to 6 will become A raised to 9. आंसर आएगा A raised to 9. 156. We are given that cot theta plus tan theta equal to 2 cosec theta. We have to find general value of theta. This is cos upon sine and sine upon cos equal to 2 upon sine. So cross multiply. We get 1 upon cos theta equal to 2, means cos theta equal to half. So cos theta equal to cos pi by 3. We know since cos theta equal to cos alpha, then theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Therefore, here your theta will be 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Next, 157. Sin 3 alpha is equal to 4 sin alpha multiplied by sin x plus alpha into sin x minus alpha. This is, we have to use trigonometry first. 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin square sin cube alpha is equal to 4 sin alpha brackets. We are using the trigonometry formula. ये 156 में आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन सी. We are using the trigonometry formula sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Is sin square a minus sin square b. This will become 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha is equal to 4 sin alpha sin square x minus 4 sin cube alpha. 4 sin cube alpha will cancel to give you 3 sin alpha is equal to 4 sin alpha into sin square x. Sin alpha cancel तो आएगा sin square x is equal to 3 by 4. This is sin square pi by 3. If sin square x is equal to sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, then theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Therefore here x will become n pi plus or minus pi by 3. आंसर आएगा n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Next, 158. This will be, question is, one plus cos a minus b into cos c. This will become ये cos c के बदले माइनस ऑफ cos a माइनस b आएगा, ये cos c के जगह पे नेगेटिव cos a प्लस b आएगा एंड again we are using this formula cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Alright, this will become क्या होगा 1 minus cos square a plus sin square b divided by this will be sin square a plus sin square b upon sin square a this will become by sine rule k square a square plus k square b square upon, so the answer will be option D. (159) angles of a triangle are in AP. ये sin a प्लस c के बदले sin b लिख सकते हैं, ऑलराइट। तो ये sin b कैंसिल हो जाएगा 2 टाइम्स cos b का फॉर्मूला बाय कोसाइन रूल a स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1, 2 गेट्स कैंसिल्ड, तो आएगा a स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ac, दैट इज a स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर माइनस ac इक्वल टू b स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर माइनस ac इक्वल टू b स्क्वायर, ऑप्शन बी। 160 we want value of cot of tan inverse 2/3 plus cosec inverse 5/3. We can write sin inverse 3/5 and sin inverse 3/5 becomes tan inverse 3 by 4. If this is alpha, alright, this will be 3, this will be 5. The third side will be 4. So value of tan alpha will be 3 upon 4. This is now cot of tan inverse 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. 3 cancels, 2 and 4 will cancel to give you 1 by 2. So this is cot of tan inverse. We take LCM. तो आएगा 9, 8 plus 9, 17 by 12 divided by half. So this is cot of tan inverse 17 by 6. This is cot of cot inverse 6 by 17. तो आंसर आएगा 6 by 17. 6 by 17 is option B. 161. Three sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square minus 4 cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square plus 2 tan inverse this is 3 times tan inverse 2 tan inverse x. So this will be 3 times 2 tan inverse x, 4 times 2 tan inverse x plus 2 times 2 tan inverse x. This is all, this is direct synopsis. Synopsis. This will become 6 tan inverse x minus 8 tan inverse x plus 4 tan inverse x equal to pi by 3. That is 2 tan inverse x equal to pi by 3. Therefore tan inverse x equal to pi by 6. So x will become tan pi by 6, that is 1 by root 3. Value of x आएगा 1 by root 3, option B. 162. Cot inverse of square root of cos alpha minus tan inverse of square root of cos alpha equal to x. Then x is equal to sin x is equal to, question is this is tan inverse of 1 by root cos alpha minus tan inverse of root cos alpha equal to x. tan inverse of root cos alpha minus cot inverse of root cos alpha को लिख सकते हैं tan inverse of 1 by root cos alpha minus tan inverse of root cos alpha equal to x. और x को इधर लिया और इधर tan inverse a minus tan inverse b वाला फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया, तो ये आएगा, we take LCM. So tan x will become 1 minus cos alpha upon cos alpha. So if I draw the diagram, if this is x, this will be 1 minus cos alpha and this will be 2 root cos alpha. So if I square and add, alright, so this will become 1 plus cos alpha. If I name this as y, then y square will be so y will be 1 plus 2 cos alpha. Value of y will be 1 plus cos alpha. So we want sin x. What will be sin x? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is 1 minus cos alpha upon hypotenuse is 1 plus cos alpha. That will be 2 sin square alpha by 2 upon 2 cos square alpha by 2. So value of sin x would be tan square alpha by 2. Value of sin x would be tan square alpha by 2. Option A is the answer. Option A. (163). We want value of sine of 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 plus cos of tan inverse 2 root 2. ये 1 ये 3 tan अल्फा 1 by 3 है तो ये 1 ये 3 तो वैल्यू ऑफ sin alpha will be 1 by root 10 and cos alpha will be 3 by root 10. Here if this is beta this will be 2 root 2 and 1 तो ये root 9 हो जाएगा तो ये 3 हो जाएगा. Here what will be cos beta? Cos beta will be adjacent upon hypotenuse. Alright, so this will be sine of 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 plus cos of tan inverse 2 root 2 will become sine of 2 alpha and cos of beta. This is 2 sin alpha cos beta plus cos beta. This is 2 times sin alpha is 1 by root 10, cos alpha is 3 by root 10 plus 1 by 3. तो ये होगा 6 by 10 plus 1 by 3. LCM लेंगे तो 9 plus 5 upon 15. आंसर आएगा 14 by 15. आंसर आएगा 14 by 15. joint equation of pair of lines through origin and making an angle of theta with the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is given by this formula, bx minus ay the whole square into tan square theta equal to ax plus by the whole square. ये ax plus by इधर आएगा राइट हैंड साइड पे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ये ax plus by के बदले लिखने का bx minus ay into tan square theta. This is very useful. We want to find 164 question. We want to find joint equation of lines passing through origin making an angle of 30 degrees. Alright, with the line 2x minus y equal to 0. This is like ax plus by, where a is 2 and b is minus 1. So joint equation is bx minus ay the whole square into tan square theta equal to ax plus by the whole square. That is b is minus 1, so minus x, a is 2, so minus 2y the whole square into tan square 30 equal to 2x minus y the whole square. This will become x square plus 4xy plus 4y square into 1 by 3. Value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 square. So this will become 4x square minus 4xy plus y square. X square plus 4xy plus 4y square will become 12x square minus 12xy plus 3y square. So taking all terms on one side, we get 11x square minus 16xy minus y square equal to 0. This is the easiest way to get the answer. 11x square minus 16xy minus y square. Answer is option D. (165). Again, we want to make equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means theta is 60. The line L is given as x plus y plus root 3. This is where a is 1, b is 1. So joint equation will be b is 1, a is 1, so x minus y the whole square into tan square 60 is equal to x plus y the whole square. Value of tan 60 is root 3, square करेंगे तो 3. This will give you 3x square minus 6xy plus 3y square. Taking all terms on one side, 2x square minus 8xy plus 2y square dividing by 2. X square minus 4xy plus y square equal to 0 is the answer. Option B. Option B. (166). If these are the pair of lines 2x square minus 3xy plus y square, so a will be 2, 2h will be minus 3, b will be 1. Let us assume slopes are m1 and m2. So m1 plus m2 will be minus 2h upon b. and m1 into m2 will be a upon b. Since alpha and beta are the inclinations, we are given that line ka inclinations are alpha and beta, so m1 will be tan alpha and m2 will be tan beta. Now we want cot square alpha plus cot square beta, that is 1 by tan square alpha plus 1 by tan square beta, that is 1 by m1 square plus 1 by m2 square. This will be LCM लेंगे तो m1 square m2 square upon m1 square into m2 square. This is m1 plus m2 the whole square minus 2 m1 m2 upon m1 into m2 the whole square. m1 plus m2 आएगा 3 और m1 m2 आएगा 2. So 9 minus 4, 5 upon 4 is the answer. 5 upon 4 is the answer. Option आएगा D. 167. पेयर ऑफ लाइन दिया है एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3xy प्लस लैम्बडा वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 3x माइनस 5y प्लस 2. So a is 1, 2h is or h is minus 3 by 2 and b is lambda. We are given value of theta is tan inverse of 1 by 3. So tan theta will be 1 by 3, that is 2 root of upon, so 6 times root of h square minus ab equal to a plus b, that is 6 times h square will be 9 by 4, ab will be lambda equal to 1 plus lambda. अब ये इसको सेटिस्फाई करेंगे. सेटिस्फाई दिस इक्वेशन यूजिंग ऑप्शंस. ऑप्शंस का यूज करके ये इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेंगे. ऑप्शन ए इज 2. लैम्बडा का वैल्यू 2 डालो तो 9 by 4 minus 2 will become 1 by 4 का रूट आएगा 1 by 2. 3 और 1 by 2 मिलके 6 और 1 by 2 मिलके 3 हो जाएगा और इधर 1 plus 2 3 हो जाएगा. ऑलराइट, सो लैम्बडा इक्वल टू 2 satisfies. ऑप्शन आएगा ए. We want pair of line through 2, 1 and perpendicular to pair of lines 4xy plus 2x plus 6y plus 3. Two x common, 2y plus 1, 3 common, 2y plus 1. So 2x plus 3 into this is 2 सो ये जो गिवन पेयर ऑफ लाइंस है उसमें से वन लाइन इज पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस एंड अदर इज पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस. ये गिवन पेयर ऑफ लाइंस है. दिस इज योर y एक्सिस, दिस इज x एक्सिस. x is equal to -3/2 and y equal to -1/2. अब हमारा जो रिक्वायर्ड पेयर ऑफ लाइंस है दे आर पैरेलल टू, इन फैक्ट परपेंडिकुलर टू. ऑलराइट, तो इसको परपेंडिकुलर लाइन आएगा 2,1 से. ये L1 L3, ये L2 एंड L4. तो ये L1 और L3 परपेंडिकुलर है, ऑलराइट, एंड L2 एंड L4 आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. और ये जो पॉइंट है दैट इज 2,1. सो ऑब्वियसली L3 का इक्वेशन आएगा, we can understand that L3 will be parallel to x axis and L4 will be parallel to y axis. तो ये इक्वेशन आएगा x is equal to 2 और ये इक्वेशन आएगा y equal to 1. ये इक्वेशन होगा x is equal to 2 और ये होगा क्योंकि ये x कोऑर्डिनेट 2 है तो L3 का इक्वेशन आएगा x is equal to 2 एंड L4 का इक्वेशन आएगा y equal to 1. आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन डी. आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन डी. $169. First pair of line is xy plus 4x minus 3y minus 12. This is x common, y plus 4 minus 3 common, y plus 4. This is x minus 3 into y plus 4 means second pair of line is xy minus 3x plus 4y minus 12. This will be x common, y minus 3, 4 common, y minus 3 equal to 0. That is x plus 4 into we are given that these two pair of lines form a square. These two pair of lines form a square. इसमें there are two lines which are parallel to y axis and two lines which are parallel to x axis. x equal to 3, that is x equal to 3 here, x equal to minus 4, this is the y axis, and y equal to minus 4. And y equal to 3. You can clearly see this is a square. This quadrilateral that is formed is a square. We have to find the joint equation of diagonals. This is A, B, C, this is the origin, and D. So what will be the coordinates of A? 3, 3. That of B will be minus 4, 3. That of C will be minus 4, minus 4. And D would be 3, minus 4. यहाँ पे y कोऑर्डिनेट और x कोऑर्डिनेट इक्वल है, सो इक्वेशन ऑफ AC इज x इक्वल टू y, दैट इज x माइनस y इक्वल टू 0, एंड इक्वेशन ऑफ BD इज, ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे ना और उसमें 1 ऐड करेंगे तो 0 हो जाएगा. वी कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड द स्लोप. अगर ये नहीं करना है तो हम स्लोप फाइंड करके भी कर सकते हैं. ये एक डायगोनल आएगा, ये एक डायगोनल आएगा और ये दूसरा डायगोनल आएगा. राइट, ये एक डायगोनल, ये दूसरा डायगोनल. इसका स्लोप निकालेंगे ना तो स्लोप आएगा -1 और इक्वेशन निकाल सकते हैं. सो जॉइंट इक्वेशन ऑफ डायगोनल्स विल बी इसको ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, x माइनस वाई इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई एंड x माइनस वाई इंटू 1. सो व्हाट विल बी x माइनस वाई इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 0 इज द आंसर. थोड़ा लेंथी है, राइट, may or may not be asked in the exam. 170. Sin theta is half and theta is acute. Means theta will be 30 degrees. We want to find value of 3 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta. That is minus of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. That is minus of cos 3 theta, that is cos of 3 theta, theta is 30, so cos 90, answer आएगा 0. 0 is the answer. (171) 1 plus cos pi by 6, 1 plus cos pi by 3, 1 plus cos 2 pi by 3 and 1 plus cos 7 pi by 6. This will become अब इसको और इसको कंबाइन करेंगे और ये दोनों को कंबाइन कर देंगे. a plus b into a minus b will give you 1 minus cos square pi by 6 into 1 minus cos square pi by 3. This will be sin square pi by 6 into sin square pi by 3 will become sin 30 is half का square and root 3 by 2 का square will become 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. आंसर आएगा 3 by 16. आंसर आएगा 3 by 16. 172. cos 20 minus sin 20 is P. We want cos 40. We want value of cos 40. इसको स्क्वायर कर दो. cos 20 minus sin 20 the whole square will become p square. 1 minus sin 40 equal to p square. We are using the synopsis. Cos theta minus sin theta the whole square is 1 minus sin 2 theta. Therefore 1 minus p square will become sin 40. Since cos square 40 is 1 minus sin square 40, that is 1 minus p square का square. ये 1 और -1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, आएगा 2p square minus p raised to 4. p square common, 2 minus p square. So value of cos 40 will be p into root of 2 minus p square. 173. Sin theta plus cosec theta is 2. Therefore, we get sin theta plus cosec theta is 2. Cosec is 1 by sin. We take LCM. This is 2. Alright. तो आएगा sin square theta plus 1. This is sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Means sin theta minus 1 is 0. Means sin theta equal to 1. Means theta equal to pi by 2. So value of sin raised to tan theta plus cosec raised to tan theta. This will be We know sine 90 is 1, 1 raised to 10. Cosec 90 is also 1. 1 plus 1, 2 is the answer. 172 में option was B. 173 में option is A. We want value of (174). Tan 40 plus tan 20 root 3 times tan 40 into tan 20. We use the formula 40 plus 20 equal to 60. We take tan of both sides. Tan of 40 plus 20 equal to tan 60. This is tan 40 plus tan 20 upon 1 minus tan 40 into tan 20 equal to root 3. So tan 40 plus tan 20 equal to root 3 minus root 3 tan 40 tan 20. Therefore tan 40 plus tan 20 plus root 3 times tan 40 into tan 20, आंसर आएगा रूट 3. ऑप्शन सी. दिस इज 174. ऑप्शन सी. x plus 1 by x equal to 2 cos theta. Then you can remember this is a formula. If x plus 1 by x is 2 cos theta, then x raised to n plus 1 by x raised to n will become 2 cos n theta. 2 cos n theta. This is from complex numbers. Alright? 11th standard में complex numbers में ये था. This is 2 cos n theta. ये trigonometry में भी पूछ सकते हैं और ये complex number का भी question है. Alright? ये उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन है. If x is cos theta plus I sin theta, then 1 by x will become cos theta minus I sin theta. Alright? Then x plus 1 by x will become 2 cos theta. And using De Moivre's theorem, अगर ये समझने में थोड़ा डाउट आ रहा है, ऑलराइट, तो ये अभी डायरेक्टली याद रखो. अगर x क्यूब प्लस 1 बाय x क्यूब चाहिए तो 2 cos 3 थीटा आएगा. x रेज टू 4 प्लस 1 बाय x रेज टू 4 चाहिए तो 2 cos 4 थीटा आएगा. यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस एज अ फॉर्मूला. ऑलराइट, ये आप जब फर्स्ट ईयर इंजीनियरिंग में आओगे तो आपको ये फर्स्ट ईयर इंजीनियरिंग में कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर में ये डिटेल में पढ़ना होगा. 11th में भी किया है लेकिन शायद याद नहीं होगा 11th कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. ऑलराइट, देन यू हैव टू. ऑलराइट, so with this we complete lecture of this lecture of part 7. ऑलराइट, रिवीजन ऑफ MHCET part 7. और 2 लेक्चर और इनफैक्ट 3 लेक्चर लूंगा जिसमें आज 175 तक की है, तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में 200 तक, फिर 225 and 250. Right? 3 more lectures wherein we'll be doing the revision. Thank you.